Man, everybody's all excited. Yay, man! Kanye back! Kanye, man! Yay, yay, yay! He's finna open up Saturday Night Live. Congratulations, Kanye West. Kanye West got what, one, two albums coming out? One with Chance and this Yandi album. You know, he did Yeezus. Now he's gonna do Yandi. You know, uh, I guess it's a sequel to an album that sucked. So he's gonna continue his streak of just ridiculous albums. I mean, he just put out an album that nobody liked. So I don't know. I guess people just need to want to root for people. Celebrityness, status quo, with all that craziness just blinds them. They can say and do anything. They just hypnotize. Now he's running back to Chicago. I'm staying in California. We don't want to bust the ass here. But them Yay fans, you sound like a hater, man. Why you hating on Yang? Ye hated on you. And you like, that's alright. He yay though. Alright. Well, if that's the case, then you should be satisfied with the terms that are yet to come. So when he give you Huff music and you spent your money and you go to the concert spending money on Yeezus, them toe up ugly looking shoes, knock yourself out. You know? A fool and his money shall always and soon part. You idiots wanna give Kanye your dime and your time? I'm not gonna stop you. Have fun and enjoy yourself. He just won't get $1 from me. I'm one person he should already know ain't buying. He gonna be, yeah, he ain't gonna buy my album anyway, so I don't even rap for him. There you go. I'm out. I know when the party's over. Let me find out what they want. All right, I'm gonna get out of here.